First, a Target 12 investigators exclusive, lingering layoff. A Target 12 investigation reveals state officials wanted to part ways with one of the state's highest paid employees at the troubled Eleanor Slater hospital system back in October. I'm Mike Montecalvo.
And I'm Shannon Heggie, but we've learned 7 months later he is still there, taking home nearly $250,000 a year.
Eleanor Slater is a state-run hospital in crisis, facing questions about patient care and how it's run. Target 12 investigator Tim White has been combing through documents on this messy situation.
Christopher Feastamel is a top official at Eleanor Slater Hospital. A Target 12 review of dozens of documents reveal he stopped showing up for work in person in December and returned when we started asking questions in April. Christopher Feastamel's $226,000 annual salary ranks among the highest in Rhode Island outside of higher education, but for months, his employment status remained in question. While Feastamel is listed as Chief of Operations and Financial Management at the problem-plagued Eleanor Slater Hospital System, a public records request by Target 12 found while he was out of the office for months, Feastamel sent only 33 emails the entire month of March from his state account, averaging less than 2 a workday. An October memo obtained by Target 12 shows Feastamel was on a list of employees set to be laid off by Catherine Power, then the head of the state agency that oversees the Eleanor Slater Hospital System. Emails show Human Resources offered Feastamel a different job at the Executive Office of Health and Human Services for a salary that paid him $100,000 less. After meeting with Feastamel, an HR representative wrote in an email, "Chris would like a few days to digest the information and determine the best option for him." But for months, nothing happened. Why? A spokesperson for the Executive Office of Health and Human Services tells Target 12 Director Power made a decision not to proceed with the layoff. Yet a February 5th email obtained by Target 12 suggests otherwise. After Power learned Feastamel didn't transfer to the lower-paying job, she wrote to another Slater official, "God Almighty, can we lay him off?" And later that same day, this memo shows Power's request to lay off Feastamel was approved by Human Resources, but once again, it never happened. Target 12 put in the records request for Feastamel's email data on Friday, April 2nd. By the following Monday, he was back at work. Through a spokesperson, Feastamel declined our request for an interview. In an April 14th email, Feastamel requested that his security access be reinstated at Eleanor Slater. A spokesperson tells Target 12 Feastamel's key fob was deactivated in error. Does that concern you?
It does. When I saw the information that you sent, the first word that came to mind was troubling.
State Senator Lou DePalma is chairman of the Senate Oversight Committee, which has been holding hearings examining the issues plaguing Eleanor Slater. DePalma says before we came to him with our findings, he thought Feastamel no longer worked for the state. But your impression was he left state service?
That's what I hadn't seen him around.
Boy, people are going to look at this and go, this system is broken.
In this situation, if the facts and the data that you're saying are exactly true, the answer is yes, it is. I cannot deny that.
Governor Dan McKee tapped Health and Human Services Secretary Womazetta Jones to conduct a review of the troubled facility, including personnel matters. She declined our request for an interview. With the Target 12